Hello, everyone! Let's explore some handy TUKAcad shortcuts. Today, we'll see how to create a back-rise seam and a template for a trouser. First, select the Zoom tool to focus on the back-rise area. We need to create a back-rise seam to provide additional support and fabric allowance for waist alterations. This will be done using a variable seam allowance. Select the back-rise segment. Click on the Seam tool and enter the required seam value of 0.5 inches. Enable the variable option and the second width option, then enter the variable width as 1.25 inches. The back rise seam is now created. Next, we need to create a 0-0 template for the sewers. While the back rise segment is still selected, right-click and choose the Copy Segment option. Paste the copied back rise segment directly on top of the original back rise. While the internal point is still selected, click on the Extend Internal tool. Select up to the seam contour and click the Apply button. While the dialog box is still open, select the grade point on the other end of the internal line. If you misclick, hold the number 4 key on the keyboard to lock onto the internal line. Then click on the grade point. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Now, adjust the shape using the Move Point tool. Switch to the cut line by pressing F5. Use the Build Piece tool to create the template. Next, we need to redefine the sew line. First, delete the existing seam. Redefine the sew line by entering negative seam values. Press F5 to switch back to the sew line. Delete the extra point and fix the seam corner. Press F5 again to switch back to the sew line view. Finally, delete the copied back rise line. And this is how we can create a back rise seam and template for a trouser in TUKAcad.